Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be unboxing the July Look Fantastic box. I know this is very late going up, but you'll have to bear with me. At the moment I've just had not a lot of time to film, so this is why this is going up quite late, and you're probably going to see the August box quite soon after I upload this one. If you don't know what this is basically Look Fantastic's beauty subscription box. You can opt in for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months or 12 months, or like I said, if you opt in for 1 month you can pick and choose what box you actually want to receive, which is really good because not all boxes will be for everyone. I however have the 12-month subscription. I got it for Christmas, and yeah, so usually every single month you get 6 products inside the box. There tends to be a mix of small sizes and full-size products. In July's box there is quite a few small sizes, which I'm low-key disappointed by it, but let's just get into July's box. So when you open up the July box, obviously you have your usual little leaflet, but this month the July box came in this like little duffel bag, which I really liked. I think these are so handy for travel. I think these are so handy to store like all your excess products in, and it just opens up and then there's all the products inside. So I'm just gonna pick them out one by one. So the first one that we have is the Brushworks Jade Gua Sha. I feel like these did the rounds in the boxes not that long ago. I feel like for a while their gua shas were doing the absolute rounds as well as jade rollers. I actually threw all of mine out because once the facade went away I just really did not feel the need to keep it. However, if anyone knows or if you've watched my videos before, I tend to do lymphatic drainage with like my fingers, so like underneath my jaw, my cheekbones, down my neck and stuff like that. So I'm actually really happy to have one of these back in my life. It says that this is worth over €9. It's obviously a full size. It says take some time to learn the ritual of gua sha to soothe and cool the eye area whilst helping to reduce puffiness, eye bags and assist absorption of eye cream or serum into the skin. Okay, so they're suggesting it for like your eye area. I personally literally use it like all over my face. I think these are handy to have. I'm glad I have one back in my collection and I actually will use it. I know some people find these like skincare tools a bit of a gimmick, but for me I will actually get some use out of this, so I'm really happy about this. Next we have a product from Avant. This is the Avant Pro Intense Hyaluronic Acid Illuminating Day Cream. I feel like Avant definitely does the round in boxes, especially in like advent calendars and stuff like that. It is a very expensive brand. I have heard that this may be like a money laundering brand because a lot of people say that the packaging is so cheap and yet this size is so expensive. It just, what it costs versus what you're getting just doesn't seem to match. But so this is a full size. It is, how many mils is this? It's 50 mils and it's worth over €112. To me, like, if you get it, you get it. Like, to me, with the packaging and everything, like, if you're spending €112 on a product like this, you would expect La Mer packaging, you would expect Clinique packaging, not a plastic tube. I don't know. But it says, enjoy lightweight, quick absorbing moisture that delivers long lasting hydration whilst helping to combat uneven skin tone and encouraging a youthful glow. I will definitely use this, there's no doubt about that. I've always been skeptical of Avant products, to be honest. Always, and I will continue to do so as well. It doesn't make sense to me why this is so expensive yet it's in the cheapest packaging. I don't know. That's the second product in the July box. A classic. I feel like these appear in many Look Fantastic boxes. This is the Molten Brown Bath and Shower Gel and it's in the scent Orange and Bergamot. It says it's worth over €6. Cleanse and refresh your skin while the signature Molten Brown scent fills your bathroom with a summery spa smell. I love these little gels. I think they're so handy for travel. The scents are always unreal. Like, this really is nice. It's super orangey, so it is the perfect scent for summer. I just personally don't need them in every third box personally, but I do really like these. I think they're a great one, and like I said, they're great for travel. I just have so many of them now. Okay, next we have a very mini CeraVe hydrating cleanser. This is super small. This is 20 mils, so very small. It's not even included in the cost of the box. It says it's a deluxe size, a little gift from us. An extra little treat in your July box. The gentle formula helps to effectively remove makeup and impurities without stripping the skin of moisture. Okay, so we don't have a price for this. This is cute. It's good, I suppose, in the July month. You're probably going on holidays, and it's just great for travel. I don't know what else to say about this. I really like CeraVe's cleansers. I really like CeraVe as a brand. It's probably one of my top brands for skincare. And yeah, if it's a little treat on them, we'll take it. We've got 2 products left. Okay, so the first one is by Philip Kingsley. It's the Frizz Fighting Gloss Smoothing Serum. So this is worth over €12. It's a deluxe size. It's 20 ml. It says, helping to achieve a glass-like shine, this gloss claims to instantly smooth the appearance of flyaways to support a silky, soft, sleek finish. It doesn't say how to use it. I don't know whether you put it on damp hair. Let me have a look. I found it. It says, apply a small amount through towel dried hair, focusing on the mid-length and ends, and blow dry in. Can be left to air dry. Add more as required. A small amount can also be applied to dry hair. Okay, that's really good because I don't blow dry my hair. I don't. It's very rare that I do it. If I do it, I'm only blow drying it to style it, whereas usually I let my hair naturally dry and then I just straighten it as it is. So I'm glad that I can also use this while letting it air dry, because a lot of the time these type of products you have to blow dry into your hair, and I don't do that, so they tend to go to waste. But the fact that I can use this to like use it in my hair and then let my hair air dry, I'm actually really happy with this. I think this is a good product. It says you can also put a small amount in dry hair as well, so I've been intrigued to use it both ways. I'm excited for this. Okay, and then lastly we have a product by This Works. This is the Perfect Cleavage and Neck Serum. This is what it looks like. To me this is a very random product. It is 20 mils and it says it's worth over €11. It's a deluxe size. It says designed to protect and refine the appearance of the delicate skin, neck, chest and décolletage. The natural efficiency of essential oils and plant extracts hydrate, visibly smooth and brighten. Okay, so this is just basically a serum, a cream for your chest, neck, décolletage. I personally just put moisturizer on my neck and my chest, so this like specific product is a bit not wasteful for me. Oh, a lot came out. Sure, I might as well put it on now. Oh, it smells nice though. Oh, it smells really nice. It literally just smells like essential oil. Oh, that is very hydrating. I'll give them that. I've also put it on, I have my skin condition is flaring up here. I've just put it on there and it's not stinging it, which means I'm good to use this. A perfect blend of marine algae, hyaluronic acid and nourishing botanical oils. Okay, this is really good because it's not irritating the skin that I just showed you. So yeah, really happy with this and I can't wait to actually use this and see if it makes any difference. So guys, they are all of the products that were in the July LookFantastic box. Do I think that this box was worth it this month? No, but can I see if you're going on holidays that you would love it? Yeah, absolutely. I personally think that I'm kind of getting sick of how many minis are in these boxes, especially because the minis, you can't even test the product long enough to know if you would like it to buy the full size. The hydrating cleanser I will definitely use because I just love CeraVe, but say like the neck and cleavage serum, like I don't know, I do like this box. It's not my favorite. I'll use the gua sha, I'll use the hair serum, I'll use the neck cleavage, I'll use the molten brown. The Vanta moisturizer, like I said, I'm so in two minds about it. So I suppose I will use everything. They're just not that exciting products. I still hands down feel like that the, what month was it? The one that we had the 2 L'Occitane products in the April box. We had the L'Occitane hand cream, L'Occitane shower oil, the IsoClean cleaner, the scalp serum, the Peter Thomas raw face mask. We had a spectrum brush and then we had a mini alien perfume. Like that box to me was probably my favorite box ever. So yeah, this month not that exciting. Will I use the products? Yeah, of course, but I don't know. I feel like you could skip out on this month, to be honest. I do really like the bag though. The bag, I will give them that. I really like. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and let me know what you thought of this box. Did you like it? Did you not? Do you like the products that are inside? Do you have like a different opinion to what I'm thinking of some of these products? Let me know. But guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.